Hello everybody. As you all know that India is affected by flood in every year. Either it would be in northern part or in southern or in eastern. For all these past years, either is these areas is affected by flood. In this year, the flood affected the northern part of India and that too is in Haryana. So what are the major factors that causes flood in Haryana? Actually, there are three major factors. First one is the geographic location of the state. And second factor is the poor natural drainage. Because of poor natural drainage, it is even more affected by human-made barriers such as network of roads, canals and other obstacles. And the third most important factor is the heavy precipitation. The final and the major cause of these kinds of flash floods occurs in India is mainly due to heavy precipitation. What is heavy precipitation? And what the main materialistic cost of heavy precipitation? It's nothing but the global warming. As the global temperature is rising, ocean is getting warmer. As the ocean is getting warmer, ice sheets are shrinking. As the ice sheets are shrinking, glaciers are retreating. As the glaciers are retreating, snow cover is decreasing. So as the snow cover is decreasing, sea level is rising. And the Arctic sea ice is declining and also extreme events happen such as flash floods. So this affects not only the lifestyle, not only the floods, but also indirectly it causes pollution. What kind of pollution is? Water pollution is cascading and air pollution is choking and the soil pollution is escalating and undoubtedly population is growing. So the prime factor is global warming and that too causes this climate change also. Nowadays, climatic change is threatening, very threatening, and we need to overcome by somehow. The only method to reduce this global warming is minimizing the emission of greenhouse gases. What are the greenhouse gases? It's nothing but carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. How we can reduce the emission of greenhouse gases? The first one is saving energy. We can save energy only by reducing the use of electricity. In most of the countries, 80% of the electricity is generated from oil, coal and gas. This produces greenhouse gas. Reducing heating and cooling can reduce the use of electricity. Another method by lower usage of petrol and diesel. By riding bicycle and by using public transport, we can achieve it. Reducing the food wastage can also reduce the emission of greenhouse gas. Rotten food waste emits methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas. Other methods are switching to electric vehicle, replanting of trees and reduce the use of plastics. Last but not the least, reduce, reuse, repair and recycle. Reduce our usage of any material that emitting carbon dioxide gases. Repair the things that we can able to repair and reuse it. Maximize the reusing of the materials. These ways we can reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, which results in reducing global warming. In order to achieve this, UN conducted a conference called UN Climate Change Conference held in Paris on 2015. To avoid dangerous climate change, 196 countries signed an agreement called as Paris Agreement. The main agenda of Paris Agreement is net zero emission by 2050. India and China are the leading countries in emission of greenhouse gases. In order to achieve this, India and China adopted certain measures. The first is they controlled in mining of coal, which leads to reduce the greenhouse gas emission by 400 tons. And the second one is production and sale of electric vehicles. By 2027, all the vehicles in these countries is turned to electric vehicles. So global warming is increasing day by day. If we cannot prevent it as soon as possible, then the world will face undesirable consequences. Hope for the best. Thank you.